What's going on, guys? This is the third and final part of this course and training series. And I've had a lot of questions about Google call only ads. And in this video, I'm going to address some of those questions so that you understand how the process works. So if you haven't already, how I actually run my Google call only ads and how I look for offers, watch the two previous videos. I go over detail step by step how to do that. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how I actually set up the ad itself and the logic behind the words that I use for my ads. And you can essentially apply this to other ads that you're running, other campaigns, other offers. So as we all know, with Google Call Only ads, I want the user to call the number, right? It's all I want the user to do. I don't want the user really to go to my website or do any of that. But in this example, I'm going to show you why everything is set up the way it is. So we're first going to look at this. Okay, I have a website right here. Now, I have found that when I set up the ad itself, users 90% of the time, 95 even more, will go and call the number. They will never go to the site whatsoever. So I have somebody in the comments of a previous video say, well, are people calling directly from the site? And the answer is no. They're calling the ad itself, and this is where I'm getting the data from. You just have to have a website in order to set up the Google call only ad. They require that. So I'm going to explain to you how this website works and how the whole thing works. So for that rare occasion when somebody actually visits the site, this is how you want to do things. Now, like I said before, I want the user to call the ad, but some question came up. Okay, if they come to the website, what happens? So when the person comes to the website, I have just a very simple website done. I use ClickFunnels. You can use a free version, Google Sites. You can buy a domain, integrate that for very cheap, like $8, $10, even less. And I have a little line of code that allows the user to click a button and it calls the number. And I have a kind of a interesting landing page. Now, I'm going to describe right now the ad and why I have the words the way that they are. Okay, so as we can tell with the first ad over here, Boy Scouts of America reached a settlement. See if you qualify. May be entitled to financial compensation. Call now. So whenever I am setting up an ad, the first thing I always include in all the ads is call now, call toll free, call toll free, call toll free. I want the user to go and call. So you always want to try to incorporate call toll free, call now. And if for whatever reason the campaign does not approve, try to change it up a little bit, right? So call now, call right now, call toll free, figure out how to do that, but always include something related to call in your ad. You want the user to call the number, right? That's exactly it. So you also need to give the person a reason to call, right? So in this example here, I said the Boy Scouts of America reached a settlement. That means when someone sees a settlement, that means that they're giving money, right? It's a lawsuit. People are entitled to money. In this case, it was going bankrupt, right? The Boy Scouts of America was in the process of going bankrupt. And you may be entitled to financial compensation. So a person may think, oh, maybe I was in Boy Scouts in the past. Maybe they did abuse me, right? Well, if I call the number, I may get money. I may get a financial compensation. So you need to give the person a reason to call your ad. So that's really important. You may be entitled to financial compensation. Call toll free. Call toll free. How much you qualify for at no cost or no obligation. And what you essentially want to do is you want to create multiple variations of that ad, and then you want to see which one performs the best. Now, what you're going to notice is out of the 4 that I've created, one did significantly better than the others. So you want to go and create multiple variations of your ad. It's as simple as that. And, there's nothing wrong with creating 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ads. They all work. You just want to see the data and see which one performs the best. So to recap, want to include call now, call toll free, a variation of this. File your claim. Have you been abused, right? What are the reasons? Have you been entitled to financial compensation? and you're going to have a number that the person will call and then immediately talk to the representative. Now, if you're wondering, what kind of offers should I run? Where do I find these offers? I've created a free videos. You just type in how to make $500 a day with Google Call Only ads, key and call. You're going to be able to see step-by-step videos, look at the previous video, and I show you how to set up everything, how to find offers, and all of that. That's all you really need to focus on, is create different variations and see which ad works the best. Hope this information helps. Peace.